Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you some beauty essentials that I love restocking. इनके बिना मेरा चलता ही नहीं है. It can be hair care, makeup as well as skin care and ऐसे कई सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आप लोग भी शायद use करते हो. So I keep repurchasing and restocking them every 1 or 1 to 2 months. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो let's quickly get started with today's video. Let's start with makeup. Makeup से चलो शुरू करते हैं. So the very first item that I cannot live without and I literally use this every single time जब मैं makeup भी नहीं कर रही होती हूँ ना. So this is one thing that I cannot live without. I have to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and for that I love using the Swiss Beauty का Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. It is highly pigmented, long lasting and काफी beautiful सा एक eyebrow pencil है. I have used a lot of eyebrow pencil, but इस तरीके का I've never clinged on to any other eyebrow pencil other than the Swiss Beauty one. घूम फिर के यही यूज करती हूँ. I just love how waxy it feels and उसी वजह से eyebrow एक ही जगह रहता है. It does not move, so that's why I love using it. आप लोगों ने काफी बार ही देखा होगा that I love using this particular eyebrow pencil. I just keep repurchasing this and keep using this particular eyebrow pencil over and over again. So absolutely gorgeous. एक shade है Chester वगैरह. I think Chester or deep brown. I keep switching between these two and it just looks so nice. So this is what I bought. अगर आप भी ढूंढ रहे हो एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन क्वालिटी का eyebrow pencil at a very affordable price, देखो बहुत सारे हैं, मार्स के भी है, बहुत सारे हैं, but I have never clinged on to any other eyebrow pencil other than this. I just keep coming back to this particular eyebrow pencil because ये बहुत ही सुंदर है. From the packaging to the consistency, the texture of the product, I just love it. आपको एक spoolie मिल जाता है and then on the other side you get the product. ठीक है? This particular pencil right here is one of the best eyebrow pencil that I have used. It's very good quality, looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's worth every single bit. The next makeup item that I absolutely love restocking and repurchasing is the Swiss Beauty का concealer, and I won't say it's a full coverage. I am wearing the concealer, but आप देख पा रहे हो हल्का सा मेरा dark circle झलक रहा है, but I will say it's a full coverage. It's a medium coverage, light to medium coverage वाला concealer, and this is one of my most used concealer that I have used in my life. इतने सालों से मैं ये particular concealer को ही use करते आई हूँ. I don't even know कितने साल हो गए, 10 साल तो हो चुके हैं मैं ये particular concealer को use करते आई हूँ, and I did not stop. मैं खरीदती जाऊँगी and मैं use करती ही जाऊँगी because I just love it. I love the consistency. बहुत ही easily blend हो जाता है. You can either use your brush or your blender in order to blend the concealer, and देखो कितना अच्छा and कितने अच्छी तरीके से ये blend हो जाता है. Oh, for the price, I cannot even complain. I won't complain because I've been using it consistently for 10 long years. कुछ तो बात होगा ना कि इतने सालों से मैं consistently इसे ही use करते आई हूँ. Powder से आप set कर लेना and then you're all sorted. So this is what I have been repurchasing and I will continue to repurchase this over and over again. जब बात हो रहा है about makeup, how can I not mention my favorite lip liners? And I'm wearing the lip liner today because I just love them. And ये particular lip liner from Swiss Beauty as well as Mars का lip liner is something that I will truly reach out for and will keep restocking over and over again, especially because of how beautiful the formulation are and looking at the price. Swiss Beauty is around 69 rupees, with Mars का it is around again 69 rupees. So दोनों ही 69 rupees के आपको मिल जाएंगे. So looking at the price, I will say you should definitely go ahead and check this out. अगर आप Mars का या फिर Swiss Beauty का lip liners अभी तक use नहीं की हो या फिर try नहीं की हो, what are you even doing? आपको इतने colors and variations में मिल जाएंगे कि आप मानोगे नहीं. Especially all these beautiful dark brown वाले lip liners, so then you can go ahead and do your 90s वाला lip makeup and look so nice and so gorgeous. So this particular shade from Swiss Beauty, the dark chocolate, and Mars का lip liner in the shade 14 मेरे पास और 2 चिन्ह पड़े हुए हैं. I keep restocking them. जब मैं एक करके लेती नहीं हूँ, एक के साथ 3-4 ले लेती हूँ because I keep losing them. मैं शॉप करती जाती हूँ, I lose them, then I forget the other one, कहीं पे भी भूल जाती हूँ. So जब भी मैं इसे ऑर्डर करती हूँ, I make sure to order at least 2 to 3 of them all together. So Amazon से जब मैं ऑर्डर करी थी restock करके अपनी चीज़ें, so that's when I got this right here. These are so creamy, absolutely gives you that very pigmented finish, that pigmented look, and this is what I'm wearing. Absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead and check this out. this reel for 69 rupees each. I'm pretty sure you're going to love me for recommending this. Now let's come down to skincare, hair care items. So the very next item that I love restocking, that I will never go back to any other item, is Bioderma का micellar water. I have finished 2 bottles of this. तब जाकर मैंने ये वाला variant को try करा. So this is the Bioderma micellar water makeup remover, and this is what it looks like. Then I ordered a very new one. This is the Bioderma HGO Purifying Cleansing micellar water. I have finished 2 bottles of this. Then I ordered a new one. If you really want to go ahead and try good quality micellar water, definitely go ahead and choose Bioderma. There's no doubt. But if you're like, no, इतना महंगा नहीं कर सकते, अरे सिर्फ मेकअप निकालने के लिए तो हम use करेंगे, then you can absolutely go ahead and use the Garnier का micellar water. I've used the oil based one. It just removes your waterproof makeup very easily. With this आपको 2-3 बार यूज करना होगा. जब बात करी मैं waterproof makeup की, you have to go into the 3 times in order to take away all of those waterproof makeup. But with the oil based one, you do not have to go ahead and use 2-3 times. एक ही बार में सारा का सारा मेकअप निकल जाता है, because it's an oil based micellar water. If you are not wanting to spend that much on micellar water, definitely go ahead and choose the Garnier का micellar water. They both work really well. According to price, अगर मैं personally recommend करूँगी कुछ, definitely go ahead and choose the Bioderma one. The last 2 items are hair care products. So this is the very beautiful L'Oreal ka Extraordinary Oil Serum with 6 precious floral oil, and this is what it looks like. This is like a new one. थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने order करा था. So this is a very new one. But आप देखो मैंने already कितना सारा use कर ली हूँ. But this is one of the best hair serum that I've used. Other than the Wella's one. Wella is like a ultra, थोड़ा सा महंगा. अगर आप use करना चाह रही हो, then use the Wella Professionals one. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा affordable चाहिए, definitely go ahead and choose this one over anything, because this right here works so well. आप इसे straightening के पहले, hair styling के पहले आप इसे as a hair protectant भी use कर सकते हो. It will style your hair, protect your hair, and gloss भी देगा hair serum के तौर पे. And I ordered this one ताकि मैं अपने छोटे हैंड बैग्स पे कैरी कर पाऊँ. आप छोटे वाला लेके देखो ना, and see if you're liking it or not. तब जाके आप बड़े पे इन्वेस्ट करना. And the next product that I will keep repurchasing over and over again is something that you have seen me finishing 4 to 5 different bottles already. It's the Wish Hair का Hair Growth Serum Concentrate, and it's a very new package. मैंने खोला तक नहीं है, ये कल आया हुआ था. I have easily gone ahead and finished 4 to 5 different bottles of this, because this has worked so beautifully. जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ beautifully working का, आप मानोगे नहीं, I was completely bored तो नहीं बोलेंगे, but I was losing so much of hair on this particular side, especially my hairline के साथ. That I was so embarrassed. मैं हमेशा बाल ऐसे रखते थे ताकि मेरा वो bald spots दिखाई ना आते. So I started using this. आप मानोगे नहीं, if there's one product that I will recommend you guys to go ahead start using it, especially in terms of hair fall, with hair growth, and you're facing any hair fall issues, receding hairline, I will only recommend one product, and it is this particular product right here, the Wish Care का Hair Growth Concentrate. Nothing has worked so well. मैं इसका लंबा बड़ा वाला साइज ढूंढ रही थी, बट मुझे मिला नहीं. कि मुझे लगा कि एक ही साथ मैं ले लूँगी, बट मुझे छोटा वाला ही मिला. I will tell you, एक प्रोडक्ट इतना बेहतरीन काम कर सकता है, मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ. I now have hair, and I don't have any insecurity of tying my hair back, because I literally have hair. मैं आपको सारे क्लिप्स यहाँ लगा दूंगी. So I used to cry कि मम्मा मैं क्या करूँ कि मेरे बाल वापस आ जाए. Look at my hairline. मैं बाल पीछे करके भी नहीं बांध पा रही हूँ, because I have such bad hairline. So I started using it, and since then there's no going back, because I have seen such amazing results कि मैं इसे बार दोबारा खरीदते ही जाऊँगी. मुझे पता है कि ये कितना बेहतरीन तरीके से काम करता है. अगर आप अपने बाल को वापस उगाना चाह रहे हो, if you want to have hair, please start with a very basic hair concentrate like this. You do not have to worry about anything. पहले आप बाल को उगाओ, let your hair come back, and then focus on the quality. अगर आपके पास बाल होंगे नहीं तो आप क्वालिटी से क्या करोगे? पहले बाल को वापस लाओ. This is one of the best best, hair growth concentrate that I have tried. Nothing has worked so well except this. So yeah, with that I would like to end today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारी चीज़ों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. एंड इसी तरह मैं दोबारा आऊँगी विद अनदर अमेजॉन हॉल. आप लोग वेट करो, बहुत ही मज़ेदार हॉल होने वाला है. सो आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.